Hello families, welcome back again to this video. Yes guys, today I am so happy, so excited to welcome you all in today's video and to welcome you again in the month of November. So guys, if you are alive to witness this month of November, congratulations. And I pray to you today that as you have witnessed this month of November, you are going to also witness the month of December by special grace of God, and God will take us into the year 2021. So guys, today I have come to show you guys how you can easily make an attraction solution water. Yes guys, this attraction solution water is for those who hasn't gotten married. Girls in the building, if you are up to 25, 30 and above, you haven't gotten married, please watch this video to the end. You don't have to skip any part of this video. So, and to my subscribers out there, thank you very much for coming back to watch my video. And for those who haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like my video, share my video, because there is a lot in which I am going to be unveiling on this channel one after the other. So guys, let me quickly introduce to you guys what we are going to be using to make this attraction love solution water for those who want to get married this year, for those who want to get married January. Okay, you have to make this to get yourself prepared for OK Malaysia, Chinedu London, and then OK Ethiopia. Okay, you have to get yourself ready for these people. You want them to pay for your bride price? Watch this video to the end. Okay, so as you can see on my towel here, I have my already pure pineapple. So I am going to be taking pineapple water out from this pineapple. Okay, so watch me do this guys. Yes guys, if you're taking this pineapple juice out from the pineapple itself, you have to be very, very patient. Yeah. So guys, if you need more work on this, if you need more sharp, like quick work on this, please contact me. I am going to be dropping my number on the description box below. Yes guys, this mixture, after straining the water, you are going to be going on a dry fasting, only one day, 6 to 6, and then midnight prayer one day. Okay, so on the prayer session, you are going to be reading Ephesians chapter 5 to 31. If you have your pen, please jot it down. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 31. So here is my orange. Okay, and now I am going to be adding my anointing oil, just a little. This will not only give you love attraction, it will also give you a breakthrough, luck in your businesses, in your career, your visa. So I am going to be transferring this water into this. This is the one I'll be using for a very long time now, and I can tell you well, I will not tell you everything. I will not tell you everything. I want you to try it on your own and then give me a feedback. So I am going to be pouring it here with the one I have already on the Regulus. Yeah. So this is how it's going to look like. Then I will shake it properly. Yeah. Then after shaking it, I will go on fasting 6 with this. You are not going to drink it, you are going to be using it to bathe. Then after you must have done your fasting and your midnight, on the day you are going to be closing your midnight, that is the same day you are going to be bathing with it. So measure this Regulus cover 3 and then add it into your bathing water, and then start making your declaration. Okay, what you want, just keep on telling God how you want your marriage to be, how soon and fast you want your marriage to be, and then have faith. Like I always said, whatever you're doing in this life without faith is useless. So if you are watching any of my video and you don't have faith in what I'm doing, or you don't have faith in what you are doing as instructed on the videos, it's not going to work, because your faith matters a lot. So you have to apply your faith in order to make your spiritual work to work very, very fast and effective. You don't have to doubt God, because God is still working and is a miracle worker. So guys, that is the end of my video for today. Please guys, if you want me to be uploading content on this video, on this channel, please always watch my adverts. Okay, I love you all guys for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Have a lovely week. Okay, thank you. Bye bye for now.